All right, we are at the Marriott World Center. Got something to show you guys here. These are getting new cabs. This is the old cab here with the 28. Oh, we actually made it past the lobby.
The 8th floor.
Nice level line.
Going down.
Oh, there's a glass one. See the old indicator up there? Again, here's your old cab. Let's see. Try to get that one real quick. Might as well take the glass ride if we can. So here's the old cab again. You can see it's the nice brown. There we go, that's better. I had a glare. I don't know if you saw in the other one, but the bottom was kind of messed up. And if you can see while we're going down, the far car over there is getting its cab replaced right now. And it is out of service. See, there it is. And then,
First floor.
I don't know how they're doing it, if it's random or whatever, but I'll show you the new cab. Sorry. This mid-rise car over here has it. Except it's not coming down. There it comes. Take a look at this. The floor is the same. This completely caught me off guard. Honestly, you know, that might be a snap cab. I don't know. I actually like the old one better, personally. You're at 12. I just ended up here, I guess. So yeah, I don't know why they're replacing these cabs, but there's the new one. That'll be it.